The SUSTEAS Cold Press Juicer features a powerful 300-watt motor that efficiently extracts juice using slow cold press technology, ensuring maximum yield and retention of nutrients. With its generous 5.3-inch feed chute, this juicer allows you to process whole fruits and vegetables without the need for pre-cutting, saving you time and effort. This juicer's automatic feeding system and one-button operation make it user-friendly, while its safety features, including a lid that stops the machine when opened, provide peace of mind, especially for families with children. Designed for easy assembly and cleaning, the integrated hopper and screen, along with the included special brush, ensure that maintenance is quick and hassle-free. The SUSTEAS Juicer is perfect for creating a variety of beverages and dishes, from fresh juices and smoothies to jams, due to its high juice yield and versatility. This juicer makes an excellent gift for loved, offering reliable performance and an enjoyable juicing experience, suitable for any special occasion.